about 12 to 13 years ago. We were living over on the north side of town. Our otherwise healthy toddler had a particular circumstance that necessitated us calling 911, and we did. I was surprised when we pulled out onto Hillsborough Road that we turned north to go to a Nashville hospital. So I called dispatch, and I must admit I wasn't my best self in that conversation. I was very frustrated, and I couldn't understand why we had to drive to Nashville, why we couldn't just go to our hospital right here. Thankfully, our daughter turned out to be fine.
He really sort of dug into being involved, and a couple of years passed, and he comes home the next day and said, I think we're going to get a children's hospital.
The first major capital campaign was for the Children's Hospital, and we were very involved in that, and have been involved ever since.
And the Children's ER.
And the Children's ER.
It really is more for you close to home. As people make decisions about where they live, they look at schools and they also look at healthcare. And I think the level of what Williamson Medical and the foundation do to support that level of care and that top tier level of care and all the lines of services that are offered now and that are coming is absolutely phenomenal. When Jamie came home to discuss making a commitment to the hospital and the idea of the naming of the rooms, not only was it something that really fit into something that we could do, but it is really important to give everyone an opportunity at their level to contribute. And it's important to leave a legacy for our daughter, for her to understand why we do what we do. We want her to know it's really important to support causes that you care about, and the hospital is very important to our family.
With the growth that we have experienced in our community, this is a campaign of need. This is not a for-profit hospital. And because of that, if you live in this community, you have ownership. You're a stakeholder in what happens here. It's also an opportunity to be involved in the biggest expansion we've ever experienced in healthcare in this community.
When you give to the hospital, you're giving to a nonprofit that you care about. You're also giving to a community asset that enables this community to be absolutely the best it can be.